What's going on, guys? Here I have a 2026 Toyota Tundra, and I want to show you this truck bed cover. I got it from Amazon. It's called a Flowkottu, and this is the 4.5 foot truck bed. It's kind of cool because it retracts and it's a hard aluminum. It's very sturdy. You could stack stuff on top of this probably, but here, I'm gonna open it. Fully retracts open like that. It does take a little bit of space when it is retracted. I'll put that in the description. I think it's probably about like 15 to 18 inches, but I'll put it in the description on how much space it actually takes up in the bed here. And then to close it, simply pull it, locks into place. And that's pretty much it. You've got a key locking mechanism here, but really you don't ever need to use that. If your truck bed is locked here, then nobody can open it from up here. There's no actual handle up here. So you really have to open the truck bed to use it. You pull this rope here, twist it to the right. It is the fully unlocked position. And then the rope is long enough so that you don't have to get up on the bed to pull it closed. If you notice, there's a couple clicks. That's because if you unlock it to the right and then you lock it again, you've got the first position here. So it's kind of like a third of the bed accessible. Unlock it again. And then you've got 2/3 of the bed accessible there. Unlock it again. And you got the full bed accessible. It's pretty neat. I like it. I bought it for $650. Installation was pretty easy. I'll leave a link down below to installation videos. This is pretty much this is pretty much a generic product. If you find another company online on Amazon that's selling it, it's pretty much the same item. It's just stamped with a different name on it. So I'll leave a link down below because there's some people who made some great installation videos already, so no need to do that. It is under a different brand, but I can confirm that the installation is 99% the exact same thing. But yeah, it's pretty great truck bed cover. A little skeptical at first. Wasn't sure if the reviews were real or whatnot, but this is pretty cool. Thanks guys so much for watching. This video is not sponsored. I'll leave a link down below to the truck bed cover if you're interested. And that's just pretty much my review. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more car content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.